In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an attachment from a Smartsheet row and confirm it's saved correctly. First, open Smartsheet in your web browser and head to the sheet that contains the attachments you need. If you work with multiple sheets, it helps to use the search bar or your recents to get there quickly. Give the sheet a moment to load so all rows and icons appear as expected. Next, select the specific row that contains the attachment you want. You can click anywhere on that row or click its row number on the left to highlight it. A quick visual cue is the paperclip icon that often indicates an attachment is present. Selecting the right row ensures you're looking at the correct attachments and avoids downloading the wrong file. Now, click the attachment icon for that row or open the attachments panel. Depending on your layout, you may see the paperclip on the row itself, or you may use the right side panel to access attachments. Either option takes you to the same place, a list of files associated with that row. Wait for the list to populate so you can clearly see the file names and details. Find the file you want to download. Scan the list for the exact name, and if there are multiple similar files, glance at details like upload date or file size to make sure you've identified the right one. Taking a moment here prevents duplicates and confusion later. When you're ready, click the Files menu or the Download option. In many layouts, you'll see a small arrow or a menu with Download as a choice. Click Download to begin saving the file. If you're prompted to choose a version, select the one you need. Save the attachment to your computer. If your browser shows a Save dialog, pick a folder where you'll easily find the file. Many people choose the desktop or a project folder. You can rename the file at this point if it helps with organization, but keep the correct file extension. If your browser saves automatically, the file will usually land in your Downloads folder. Finally, open the downloaded file to confirm it's saved correctly. Navigate to the location where you saved it, double-click to open, and make sure the contents look right and the file isn't corrupted. If it doesn't open as expected, check that you have an appropriate app for the file type, or try downloading again, and that's it. You've opened Smartsheet, selected the correct row, accessed the attachments, downloaded the exact file you needed, saved it in a reliable spot, and verified that everything worked as intended.